But, as you mentioned, you're growing. You're up to the 4 stores now. What has been your experience in managing multiple laundries? And how do you ensure that consistency that we've been talking about? What's been that experience?
So as of right now, I'm wearing many hats, right? People,
Mhm.
usually like an owner will have that assistant manager and is handling all the employees and whatnot, right? So I'm wearing a owner hat, I'm wearing a manager hat, I'm wearing multiple different hats.
Yeah.
So but I'm fortunate to have a good a good handful amount of staff members. So I'll try to appoint one or two at each store,
Mhm.
not particularly their managers, but
Mhm.
I'll compensate them in different ways to make sure they're helping me run the stores efficiently. Whether it's inventory, whether it's detergents, whether it's letting me know how much stuff we have left in the back or not. So when I'm doing the orderings, I
Mhm.
know what to order. I'm not over ordering, and trying to make sure that we are good for a couple months at a time. So at
Mhm.
least whenever we order anything, we're good for 2 to 3 months.
Okay.
Um,
Mhm.
and that way I do overbuy at times, and that's just so when I'm not buying, I just go to the stores, I do my work, and I leave. Right, then I'm not worried about inventory.
Right.
So that's the idea with that.
Right.